Dow Jones and Nasdaq both continued its downward journey today again, and we have seen Tech 100 leading the pack with more than half a percent drop. It has come to 16,430 levels, while US30 is also seen trading below 37,600. Now, what to expect today? With the US session, we have a couple of data entries today where manufacturing PMI, the jobs job openings, and yes, the last one, the FOMC minutes, definitely going to bring volatility for the day. So, how to profit, how to trade with the news and with the US markets, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update definitely would have profit. Thus, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Also, do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, and comment is a great motivation for me. And if you support the effort, become a channel member to support the effort here. Join the channel memberships. Press the join button besides the subscribe icon on the video and the channel description. Let's start. First, we'll look into Tech 100. And at the end of every analysis, I'll give you the trading levels. Watch till the end. First, if you look at the early chart, see Tech 100 certainly trading bearish here. The lows are far below, and if it trades now below 16,380, 16,390, we can expect another 80 points from there, where we can look forward to 16,300 levels as the next targets. But right now, if you look at, see, just observe these two candles, double top levels, the 20 period moving average sitting at around 16,550. Thus, 16,550 is the level beyond which you can say prices are reversing. And if you see Tech 100 any point of time trading below 16, beyond 16,550, 560, we can expect 16,600, 620. And if it trades beyond 16,620, that is the reversal confirmation. Stochastic oversold, MACD has retraced a bit, trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI oversold. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, one bearish candle, one step here, and then the second bearish candle. Potentially, it might try to look forward towards 16,380 levels. And yes, little more bearishness can be seen here. Only selling entry now, you can sell here at 16,420, but with the caution note that 16,390, 380 should be a greater support for the day. Below that, 16,350 and then 300 will be seen. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold as well. Coming to 3-hour, look at 3-hour charts. There is a crossover. This is a bearish crossover between the 20 and 100. Also, there is a crossover between the 20 and 50. The prices are trading with too much of divergence from the moving average. Thus, it calls for it to converge a bit. But before that, how low it can go? Even if it tries to drop, definitely I expect 16,380, 390 or 16,380, 400 should be a greater support for US100 there. Thus, we have to watch out how it behaves at around 16,380, 400 zone. Also on the 3-hour charts, one must note that there is greater resistance seen here at 16,560 levels, 550 levels. Thus, buying entries are confirmed. It is above 16,550, 560 levels only. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI is extremely oversold. Coming to 4-hour charts, look at 4-hour charts. See, the candle has opened flat. Thus, it can try to show little swing, but only bullishness. As I said, it is above 16,560. As long as this is not taken, we should not be treating this as bullish. And as long as these are respected, we can potentially expect it to swing. Also, on the downside, support levels are intact here. Thus, we have to be careful as long as 16,380 is not taken on the downside. Stochastic at bottom, MACD extremely divergent and bearish, RSI oversold. Coming to the day. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy with the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 2nd and 3rd week of January. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details at Telegram or email, or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com, where you will also get the economic calendar, the tools and charts with the advanced strategies are available there. Also, you have a forum and community where you can discuss with the like-minded traders. And if you have any query with respect to any of your existing positions or a futuristic prediction you want to make, you can schedule or book a call with me. And this calling option can be completely free if you are part of my webinar series, where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets. Do visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, reach out to me via Telegram or email. You can get more updates by joining my free Telegram channel as well. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, see, first of all, we have seen the steps here. Reversal sign, one bearish candle, second bearish candle. Now this candle can be further bigger, which means can it move towards 16,200? The possibility is there. It has to stay below first 16,280, 290 zone. rather I will say 16,380, 390 zone, and below that 300. Once it stays below 300, it is going to move towards 16,200 levels. Yes, it can show a sharper drop today. There is a potential to it. Do not think it off as bullish. But at the same time, one thing I have mentioned here, see, the day started on a flat note. This creates an opportunity for Tech 100 to in fact show the swings. It can try to move or pull back within this zone. That is why only buying entry above 16,555. But then also you have to be very, very alert as long as 16,620, 16,650 is not taken. These are going to be the resistances, and then 16,700. The reversal confirmation is only and only if the prices stays above 16,700. Else every rise will be an opportunity for us to sell here. Yes, it is trading in this expanding triangle. With the data, it can try to show the swings, and after that potentially it can reverse and continue on the sell side again. Stochastic oversold. MACD. Now look at MACD. We have seen this several times. Double top here, and this crossover and at extremely higher levels, it is looking down. It can show the waterfall like this. Be careful. Yes, it is looking downwards. It can continue to slide more. RSI is looking down as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy only if so below 16,380, 390, or rather I say below 16,383, 400 zone is the where the selling entries can be taken. 16,350, 300 and 200 are the three targets which it can try to achieve, staying below 16,380 levels. More bearishness below 16,350, and then we can look forward to a sharper drop. In fact, we can see 16,200 today itself. On the upside, it can also show little swing as we have discussed. Again, I am saying, again I am repeating, only confirmation of bullishness is above 16,560. Those who want to risk a little can buy at 16,490, 500 zone, but be careful of 560, 540, and then 600. Above 600, 620, 653, and then 16,700, the ultimate one. If it trades above 16,700, consider that as a reversal, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow US30 on the hourly charts. See, V-shaped recovery, and since then trading bearish. It is still trading in this expanding triangle, higher highs, lower lows. Now we have to wait for it to break below 37,500 levels, below, and 37,500, 480, definitely greater support. Below this zone, it is going to definitely bring more bearishness, where we can look forward to 37,400 and 300. Rather, I will say 37,300 and 200 as the next targets. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards here. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, preceding two candles, sharper bearish candles. This candle already has started on a bearish note. It is yielding a tail. Lower lows are done. Potentially, it has started on a flat note. Thus, we can see little more swings. Yes, you can buy here at 37,630 levels, where one can look forward to 660, 680 zone as the next targets, or rather, I will say 660, 700 as the next targets. Beyond 700 is where we can look forward to the bullishness there. Also, if you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold levels. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is almost flat. Coming to the 3-hour, look at the 3-hour charts. Increasing bearishness here. See these candles. Also, we have seen the swings. Potentially, if it stays above 37,700 any point of time today, that should be treated as a reversal. As long as 37,700 is not taken, do not treat this for a bullishness. Stochastic looking down. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI looking down as well. Coming to 4-hour charts, see double top here, and then first and second two bearish candles. This is the third bearish candle. It has given a flat opening here. This suggests that it can try to pull a little on the upside towards 37,650, 680 zone some point of time today, and from those levels again a potential drop can be expected. That is why it confirms again that as long as 37,700 is not taken, do not treat US30 as bullish. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI flat. Coming to the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, the reversal sign is seen, flat opening, and after that this is the first bearish candle. Now this candle can be completely engulfed, and in fact we can look forward to lower lows, where the lows and the support levels at 37,400, and in fact I will wait for it to move somewhere here in between this zone, that is the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands, and it can try to achieve these levels at 37,200, 300. There is a strong potential to it. If not today, some point of time soon in this week or next week, it is going to achieve those levels. Remember what has happened: strong bullish move, flat top here, and now after the flat top there is a potential for retracement, where we can look forward to 37,200 levels at least. If you look at the stochastic, this was overbought trying to cool down. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness, and this crossover has come at a slightly higher levels, which calls for the prices to trade bearish from the current levels consistently. RSI is overbought, which calls for it to cool down. Thus, a sharper drop cannot be denied. If you see the price is staying below 37 480 500, certainly more bearishness may, and thus I will recommend you to sell here at 37 550 levels, below which you can expect 480 500 at the first targets, then 400, and then below 400 this time I am looking forward to 200 300 levels, which is definitely going to be a greater support. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Seamless channel, join the channel membership, and be a part of the webinar series to get the max out of the analysis. Reach out to me for more details. Visit the platform forexfunda.com or reach out to me via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.